lines on peacock. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is the most beautiful bird on this earth. Peacock is blue-colored bird. The feathers of peacock have variant colors on it. The neck of peacock is long and beautiful. Peacock also has a crown on his head. Peacock looks lovely when it dances in rain. Peacock cannot fly much high in the sky. Peacock is majorly found in India, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, etc. Peacock is very much famous for its magnificent beauty and is one of my favorite birds. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.